In this video, we'll go over how to bulk edit the titles of your Etsy listings. If we click this drop-down menu, you'll see all the ways we can edit our listing titles. By clicking Add Before, anything we type into the text box will appear at the beginning of all these titles. Make sure to add a space after whatever you type to ensure that everything stays properly formatted. Below each title, you will see a character count to let you know how many characters you have left. As you can see, if we made this edit, one of our titles will be over Etsy's max character limit. As a result, this edit will not take effect on this particular listing. Make sure to click Apply before moving on. Likewise, going back to our drop-down menu and selecting Add After, anything we type will be added to the end of all of our listings. Don't forget to start with a space so your titles keep the correct format. Just as before, you can see a few of our listings would be over Etsy's limit if we made this edit, so they will remain unchanged. Once you're done, save these changes by hitting Apply. If you would like to replace anything in these listing titles, we can do so using the Find and Replace function. Anywhere new appears in our listings will be highlighted within the titles. If we type in sale into the next box, you'll see how it appears now in all of the listings. Once again, hit Apply to save these changes. To remove a word from our titles, we can do so using the Delete function. Let's say the sale is over and we want to return our listing titles back to normal. As you can see, this word will no longer appear in our listing titles. Go ahead and hit Apply to lock in this update. If for some reason you'd like all of your listings to have the same title, this can be done using the Change To function. Whatever we type into the text box will override all of the original listing titles and set them all the same. To save this update, hit Apply before moving on. You're also able to make individual updates from this bulk view. By simply clicking into any one of these listings, we can make singular changes that will not impact the other listings. Vela has the capability to use AI to improve your listing titles. In addition to already being optimized for Etsy, the more you use this function, the smarter it gets in making recommendations specific for your shop and your products. By clicking the magic wand button, you can see all the ways AI can enhance your titles. We go much more in depth on AI in its own video, so for now, let's just use it to improve this listing right here. You'll be provided with AI-generated recommendations where you can choose to run it again or keep it. Finally, once everything looks good, go ahead and click Sync Updates to send these changes to Etsy. Once this process finishes, the updated titles will now display in your Etsy shop.